Hello, hello guys. My name is Salman, and today I am going to tell you about a platform in which you can create a lot of interactive apps without learning any coding language. Yes, it just uses blocks, and you have to arrange the blocks to and use your logic to make apps. So let's start. Before starting, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends. So let's start. So first you need to search App Inventor and then go in this website, first website coming. Then you have to click create apps, and click continue, and you can see there are a lot of my projects I've made, but in this it would be showing you empty. So first click on new project to create one. It will ask you for project name. I can write first test project. Okay. Now you can leave toolkit and theme and click OK. We cannot use space in our project's name. As you can see, it will open this type of interface, and this is a type of mobile showing how your app will appear. So let's create a quick app. So we will make an app in which we will press a button, so it will play a sound, and there would be another button in which we will press, so it will stop the sound. Let's start. So first we need to select a background image. Then now you can see there is none. It's not showing any background image. First you have to download a background image. To open new tab and say nice. It's all your choice what you want to choose. I will choose this. Save images to my computer. Now to upload it here, we will click here upload file and click on choose file, or you can just drag and drop and go to desktop, and we will upload and click on OK. Now you can see it has been uploaded to media, but still it is not showing. Now you have to go again to the background image and select and press OK. Now you can see your background image is appearing, and you can change the title here showing. Let me change it. If you want to make your app scrollable, you can check it so you can scroll. Now let's add a button. To add button, you can see here there is a user interface and there is button. You just have to drag button and place it here. Now you have to look here and you have to select what background color do you want. So I think cyan is the best, and I will check front bold and italic too. I will add font size. Now it's a bit bigger. You can also specify the height. I don't want to, so it is totally your side. Now you can also change the shape of this I will prefer rounded. It looks nice. And text color, you can also change the text color. Now we will change the text. We will write please. And now I will add another button. We'll set font typeface as sans serif. Height will be automatic. And yeah, you can also add an image to a button and shape around it. Okay. Now stop. And I can also align this button to the center. I will click on screen 1. In align vertical, I will center, and in align horizontal, I will also do center. So your choice what you want to do. So it look nice at the center. Okay, now our task is mainly done. Now we need a sound or music. So we need to upload a music. So let's upload one. So I've already downloaded a music which I need. Wait a second. Okay, I don't have any sound, so let's download one. I think this is the best. I will download it on my desktop, and I will come over here and upload my file. Here it is. It is uploading to App Inventor server. Now we have to add another thing which is called sound. In media, sound, we will drag and drop here, and we can see that it is not being visible. It is a non-visible component. We have to just add a source here, that what sound do we need to play. So yeah, just make sure you select a correct file. Now we are done with our interface. Now we have to code. So we need to go here, blocks. We will click here, and we are in a blocks mode. You can see we have a lot of blocks here to make. So let's start. So first there is we added button 1, so the blocks are showing right here. So we have to just drag it. When button 1 dot click in means then when button 1 is clicked, so sound 1. So call sound 1 play, and when button 2 dot click, call and stop. You can also add pause and resume. It's all your choice, and you can do many things. So So let's test it. For testing, we would need mobile, and we need to download an app called MIT App Inventor Companion. I will You have to download it on Google Play on your phone, or there is another way. You have to just click connect. It is AI companion or emulator. If you download emulator on your computer, if you don't have any phone or it is not available, so you can download the emulator. You just have to search MIT App Inventor emulator and download it, and you have to run it and click this, and it will connect to your emulator. But now I don't have any emulator. If you have AI companion, which I told you, you just click and scan this QR code, and this app will open and you can test it. Let's test it. Okay, so I have downloaded MIT AI 2 companion, so we can test our app. So let's test our own very first song player app. So I am opening this app, and it is asking me to type in 6-character code or scan the QR code. So I will click on scan QR code. Now to scan the QR code, I will go to connect tab and I will click on AI companion. It will show me a QR code. I have to just scan it. Now I have to wait until the progress is complete, which is showing on my computer, and the app will appear. Now the app is appearing. There are 2 buttons which we placed on our computer. So let's test, are they playing sound or not. So let's So as just I pressed play sound, the sound played, and when I pressed the button stop sound, the sound stopped. So in next video we will make an AI chatbot and login screen and many more things. So stay tuned to our channel and like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.